2 years ago, I set myself a creative challenge for a card effect. Today, I'm posing it to you too. A deck must be borrowed and shuffled. A participant selects a card. It must be lost into the deck and not controlled to the top or bottom. Then 3 real random participants are asked to think of 3 random playing cards. They must all be different from each other. Those 3 cards are then added together. The participant then must deal down to the total, and the selected card must be at that position. I believe it's the best solution to an effect that I've ever created, so much so that it's the closer to my upcoming Blackpool lecture. If you're going to Blackpool this year, then I've been given the great honour of opening the convention by being the first lecturer on the arena stage. Quite daunting. I'm going to hopefully be teaching this as the closer to my lecture if I have time, because I truly believe this is one of the best pieces of card magic I've ever created. I challenge you to come up with an alternative method to see if you have a better solution than the one that I do. If you can't wait until Blackpool and you want to learn what my solution is now, then it's already available to learn in my membership, the Society of Secrets. You can join through patreon.com/LloydB or through my YouTube channel right here. Just click on my profile. Either way, I hope to see you at Blackpool, and this year I'm all over it. I'm there on Tuesday to do some secret filming with Peter Turner and Craig Petty. Wednesday night, myself and Craig have hired out Russ Brown's House of Secrets bar, where we'll be having a special meetup for Magic Podcast and Society of Secrets members. It's a ticketed event, it's free, but tickets are sold out. But keep your eye on the House of Secrets website in case there are any more reissued. And then Friday morning, I'm the opening lecture of Blackpool. And Friday evening, myself and Craig are doing the Magic Podcast live, and we challenge all of you to come up with a trick to try and fool her for Kaylee, who will also be there live on stage with us. But the thing I'm most looking forward to is just hanging out with all of you. So if you are at Blackpool, please come up, please come and say hello. Let's go and sit down for a coffee, or if you guys want a beer or a glass of Coke, let's just sit down and jam some magic. I'm so excited to spend time with you all in Blackpool 2023. All right, see you soon. Peace.